Alright, in this part of the course, I'm going to show you how you can create a website for your affiliate marketing business step by step. Now, you have to create a website before you do anything because in order to get approved to some affiliate networks or just get approved to some affiliate links, you do need to have a custom website. Also, a website is very important because if you want to do email marketing and also create blog posts to promote your affiliate links, your website is necessary, and you may have never heard about promoting with a newsletter or email list or with blogs, but don't worry, I'll be showing you how to do that later on in the course. But now let's just go over how to create the website. So come back inside the course here, and where it says Shopify link, go ahead and click on this link. Once you click on the link, you're going to be brought to this page. So enter your email. I recommend using a different email from your personal. Start free trial. Just add in the info here. Perfect. Shopify account is now created. First thing you want to do is click select a plan. Start with the basic Shopify plan. Alright, so now you have to put in your billing info in order to get your plan in, and it's going to cost you $1 for the first month. After that, I believe it costs around 35 American dollars, but there is actually a way to get it for under $10 a month, and we'll talk more about that later. But my recommendation is you obviously create the account now, you experiment, because having a website as an affiliate marketer is necessary. So go ahead and just pay. I'm going to use PayPal. Alright, now when you're ready to pay, click subscribe. Alright, now go ahead and just put your information in here and then save business address, which is just your home address. Alright, perfect. Now the next step is to actually start customizing your website. So click online store. Then first thing I want to do is click remove password, then click customize. Okay, perfect. Now this is your website, and on your website there's going to be three main components. First is the homepage. Homepage will show every affiliate link you have. Then you're going to actually have separate pages for each affiliate link, and you can kind of think of this maybe as like more of a blog, or also just like a page informing people to join this certain affiliate program for whatever reason. And it's kind of like a direct funnel if you want to think of it like that. And another component is your email list, and you want to drive people to your email list as much as possible, just because basically an email list, how it works is, let's say someone does subscribe to your email list. Well, you're going to be able to send them emails on a weekly basis, and these emails can promote your affiliate links, which means you can make a lot of money. Pretty much every successful marketer has an email list. This is something you have to do, and I'll show you exactly how to do that later on in the video, but for now, let's just focus on setting up your website. So first thing you want to do is just hide everything on this page. So click and then hide, because basically why we're doing this is we want it to be blank, and then I'll show you after, what to add on here. So I'm just going to go ahead and hide everything just like this. So your page should look like this. Just make sure you keep the footer section. Now click here, and then I want you to actually scroll down and then uncheck this box. Scroll down more, uncheck this box, uncheck this box, and uncheck this box. Now save the page. Perfect, you now have a clean slate. Now I want you to add one section here. So click and then add where it says multi-column. Okay, so essentially in each column you are going to add one affiliate link. So if you had 10 different affiliate links, you're going to add them all in the multi-column section. So you can add as many columns as you like depending on how many affiliate links you have. Now in the beginning you might only have like 5 affiliate links, but the more you have, the more you can add. And again, as I said, this is your home page, which has all your affiliate links. Now before we even go ahead and add any affiliate links, I want you to click here on theme settings, click on colors, and now let's actually customize the color here of your website because right now it doesn't look too good. So click scheme 1, click background gradient, and you can pick from any of these gradients. I personally really like this one right here. So I have this really nice blue background for my website. Okay, so this should be good for now. Now the next part is very important. So obviously right now you have 0 affiliate links, but it's important that you have at least maybe 1 or 2 affiliate links right now. The reason for that is because if you want to get approved to websites like Amazon Associates, Impact.com, PartnerStack, they want to see that you have a custom website. So right now, quickly, I'm just going to get you to add 2 random affiliate links here so that you can get your accounts approved with the affiliate networks, but then afterwards we're going to come back to this website and then customize it again. So go back inside the course here where it says Honey and Rakuten affiliate link, click on it, then here click on the Rakuten affiliate link. And once you do make your account, click on where it says refer and earn, and then here you're going to have a custom affiliate link. Anyone who joins with this link will give you a $30 commission, which is pretty good. Rakuten is a platform anyone can promote. People use it basically to get, coupon codes when shopping online. Then go back in the course, click on the Honey affiliate link, Then just go ahead and create a Honey account. And once you do, click Earn Gift Cards. And then you're going to have an affiliate link here, which you're also going to use and put on your website. Honey is the same as Rakuten. It basically just gives you coupon codes when shopping online. Okay, so here on the website, in this column, I'm going to click on it. Now I'm going to add the link. I added the Honey link. Just going to remove everything here in the description. Also going to remove the heading. Okay, so essentially I just put the heading Honey. I said save money when shopping online. Try Honey in the link label section. You can just go ahead and copy this. Now I'm also going to do the same thing for Rakuten right here. Alright, so I put this here. It's temporary. You can just copy me for now. And I do recommend in the image section you add the Rakuten logo, but we don't have to worry about this now. We'll come back to this later. Just go ahead and save this. And also for the other extra columns, right here, you can actually go ahead and just hide them like this, just for now, because you don't really have any other affiliate links. So I'm hiding everything. Then click back up here and just remove where it says here multi-column. And I just added save money when shopping online. Again, this is just temporary. Go ahead and save it. So this is what your website looks like for now. And there is a lot we have to do and we have to customize it a lot more, but this is just temporary so that you can hopefully get your accounts approved to get more affiliate links. So exit here. Then I want you to click here on settings. Click here on domains, and you actually want to change this right now to something different. So click change to new Shopify domain name. I would change this to something generic like save money online. And again, this is just temporary for now. So add domain. Okay, so essentially this right here is actually going to be your website link right now. So let's copy it. And there you go. Your website is live, as you can see. And this is great just because obviously all companies want to see that you're actually legit and you have a website. And then later on, this is going to turn to something much bigger, much more customized, as you're going to add your own affiliate links. You're going to be having, a page separate for each affiliate link. You're going to be having, people subscribe to your email list. So all that good stuff is going to come. But for now, we're done with the website. So now I actually want to show you how you can find affiliate links, basically affiliate links that pay you generously. We're talking, $100, $200 per sign up. Those are always the best affiliate links. And what's even more important than finding affiliate links is figuring out what niche you want to promote. Now, there's a ton of different niches, but let's talk about that in the next video. So I'll see you there.